Hello, my friends. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all of you to my friends. It's finally here. Welcome to episode. That's right, my friends. The 200th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delight. Woo-hoo! And I'm looking forward to the 300th episode coming soon. Stay tuned. Well, to kick off our 200th episode, today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate volcano cake. And my friends, this dessert is delightful. And we're going to put a cream cheese filling in the middle. And it also has a chocolate pecan glaze on it. It's sure to make your mouth water. So grab your cake mix and your pecan sugar, because we're about to make some chocolate volcano cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our cream cheese filling. In my bowl, I have one stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter, and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I got to room temperature. And we're going to add in 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar. And we're going to cream all of these until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, the cream cheese filling is done. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the cake batter. Alright, my friends, in my bowl, I have 1 package of German chocolate cake mix. And we're going to add in half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 1/4 cups of my favorite ingredient, evaporated milk. Hey, best friend. And 4 jumbo eggs at room temperature. And we're going to mix everything together until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, the cake batter is ready. So next, for the final ingredient, we're going to add in 10 bite-sized almond joy. And we're just going to fold the almond joys in. Ooh, this is going to be so stinking good, my friends. Alright, my friends, I'm through folding up the cake batter. So now we're going to pour it into my 9x13-inch greased baking dish. And on the bottom, I have 1 cup each of chopped pecans and sweetened shredded coconut. Alright, my friends, I got the cake batter right on top of the coconut and the pecans. So now we're going to put a dollop of the cream cheese filling right on top. OMG, my friends, look at here, look at here. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Got all the cream cheese filling on top. Ooh, my mouth's watering. It's not even baked yet. Alright, so now we're going to put our chocolate volcano cake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 40 to 50 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright, my friends, I have taken my chocolate volcano cake out of the oven, and look at the cream cheese just oozing out of there. Alright, while the cake is still hot, let's go ahead and make that luscious chocolate pecan glaze to go on top. Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I have 1 stick, which is half a cup of unsalted butter, and we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. And we're going to stir all this together until the butter melts. Alright, my friends, the butter is melted, and I removed it off the fire. So next, for our final ingredients, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/2 teaspoon of coconut extract, a 1.5 cups of sifted powdered sugar, and stir all this until it's nice and well combined. And 1 cup of chopped pecans, and stir all this in. And our chocolate pecan glaze is finished. Now we're ready to pour the chocolate pecan glaze right on top of the hot cake. Alright, my friends, there you have it, chocolate volcano cake. Look how rich and decorative that looks. Ooh, good Lord almighty. I'm ready to eat some right now. Alright, I'm about to pick me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. And now for the moment of truth. Here we go. Ooh, look how nice and moist. And look at that cream cheese inside. Ooh, Lord have mercy. This cake is the bomb.com. It melts in your mouth. So chocolatey. I love the coconut and the pecans in it. And that cream cheese in it too. Delicious. Everybody will enjoy this cake. Chocolatey, delicious. Before I end this video, I have a special guest I would love for y'all to meet. This is my little godnephew, LJ. Say hi. Say hi, LJ. If y'all follow me on social media, y'all been seeing all the beautiful pictures of him that I be posting. He is so adorable. I love my little godnephew. I love you. Give me a kiss. Oh, look, he grabbed my earring. Well, my friends, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe, and thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Say bye, LJ. Bye-bye. Give me a kiss.